唔知你會唔會撈亂呢兩組英文字嘅讀法呢？其實我發覺有唔少香港嘅朋友咧，會將一個 S 音唔小心讀咗做 SH 音，讀錯咗呢兩個音咧，就會將咕嚕肉 Sweet and Sour Pork 讀成 Shit and Sour Pork。咁今日我哋練習下點樣正確地讀 S 音，點樣正確地讀 SH 音。首先我係知道咧，其實甜同埋便便呢兩個英文字咧，唔係好多人會讀錯嘅，不過都溫馨提示一下。首先 S 音咧就好似蛇嘅聲，所以甜係 sweet， 而比較多人讀錯嘅酸係 sour。我哋可以諗下筲箕灣個筲 sour。I don't have a sweet tooth. This lemonade is too sour. Sweet and sour pork is one of her favorite dishes. 之後 SH 音咧就好似叫人哋安靜嘅聲咁，所以便便咧就係 it shit， 而花灑肉咧就係 shower。 You can do much better than that piece of shit. I usually take 2 showers a day. Am I alone? 咁一個幾好嘅練習咧，就係以下呢一個英文字啦。因為佢第一個音字咧係一個 s 音，而第二個音字嘅開頭咧係一個 sh 音，所以佢係讀 social。考下大家，你哋諗唔諗到另外一個又有 s 音又有 sh 音嘅英文字咧？